Modal auxiliaries, may and might. Meaning, possibility, permission. Form, structure, subject plus may, might plus base verb. She may come, it might rain, they may go, no, to, may to go. Use one possibility.
Usamos may, might para posibilidad.
It may rain, she might be at home, they may come later.
Diferencia.
May more possible.
Más probable.
Might less possible.
Menos probable.
It may rain.
Probable.
It might rain.
Menos seguro. En la práctica, muchas veces son similares.
Use to, permission formal.
May para pedir permiso, más formal.
May I go to the bathroom? May I come in?
Might casi no se usa para permiso hoy en día.
Negative, she may not come, it might not rain, they may not understand.
No usamos.
Don't, doesn't.
Question form.
No muy comunes para posibilidad.
May I go?
Formal.
Might it rain?
Poco común.
Mini summary, may possible, formal permission. Might less possible both.
Ambos posibilidad.
Thanks for watching.